Good morning, student. Next chapter, molecular basis of inheritance. Molecular basis of inheritance. आता हा जो इनहेरिटन्स हा जो कन्सेप्ट आहे, हा कन्सेप्ट आपण कुठं बघितला आहे? जेनेटिक्समध्ये बघितला आहे. जेनेटिक्स काय होईल डेफिनेशन जेनेटिक्सची? इट इज द ब्रँच ऑफ बायोलॉजी विच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ heredity and variation. It is the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation. You know heredity? The transfer of similar character or genetically identical character or similar character or identical character from parents to offspring, that is called inheritance. मग हे ट्रान्सफर कॅरेक्टर्स कोण करतं? जे जेनेटिकल आयडेंटिकल कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत ते पॅरेंट्सपासून इंडिव्हिज्युअलपर्यंत किंवा ऑफस्प्रिंगपर्यंत ट्रान्सफर करायचं काम कोण करतं? तर तेच ह्या चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण बघायचं आहे. पहिला याच्यामध्ये पॉईंट आहे the discovery of DNA. You know the long form of DNA? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. For understanding, DNA has evolved from the discovery of nucleic acid to the development of double helical model. It is a डबल हेलिकल मॉडेल. याचा स्टडी 11th थोडासा आपला झाला आहे. इट इज डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर, डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर. इन 1869 फ्रेडरिच मिश्चर, इट इज द नेम ऑफ सायंटिस्ट, फ्रेडरिच मिश्चर began working with white blood cells, and she collected a lot of pus from bandages at the various local hospitals. He used a salt solution to wash the pus off the bandages. He collected a lot of pus from bandages at local hospitals. He used a salt solution to wash the pus off the bandages. Then he added weak alkaline solution to the cells. Then the cell lysed and nuclei precipitated out of the solution. And from the cell nuclei, he isolated a chemical substance known as nucleon. हे लक्षात आलं असेल. फ्रेडरिच मिश्चरनी काय केलं? जो व्हाईट ब्लड सेल्स विच आर द मेजर कॉम्पोनंट ऑफ पस फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शन्स. ही कलेक्टेड पस फ्रॉम bandages at the various local hospitals, and he isolated a nucleon from cell nuclei by the procedure. Then chemically nucleon has high phosphorus content. And it showed acidic properties, hence it was named as nucleic acid. Hence, it was nucleic acids named as nucleic acid because nuclein contain high phosphorus. Then it also showed acidic properties, so called nucleic acid. In 1900s, we knew that Mischur's nucleon was a mixture of protein and nucleic acid. Protein and nucleic acids. There are two types of nucleic acids as DNA and RNA. As DNA and RNA. You know, deoxyribose nucleic acid and ribose nucleic acid. The next, the genetic material is as DNA. Next point, the genetic material is a DNA. You know, genes are located on chromosomes that control inheritance of trait. Genes are located on chromosomes that control the inheritance of the trait. That chemically, chromosomes are mainly composed of DNA and proteins. That chromosomes are mainly composed of DNA and proteins. It contains DNA and proteins. That proteins are large complex molecule. Proteins are large complex molecule which store information needed to govern cell metabolism. Chemically, chromosome consists of protein and DNA. First आपण प्रोटीन बघू. Proteins are large, a complex molecules are store information needed to govern cell metabolism. Hence, it was assumed that proteins caused the variations observed within species. On the other hand, DNA thought to be small and simple molecule whose compositions varied little among species. In fact, DNA molecules are large and vary tremendously within the among species. Initially favored proteins as genetic material. Proteins as a genetic material. It means it is proteins, so it is not surprising that most researchers initially favored protein as the genetic material. But nowadays it is clear that because of various experiments that proteins are not genetic material, but DNA become a genetic material. Proteins are not responsible for the inheritance, but DNA is responsible for the inheritance. So DNA become a genetic material. Let us study three important contributions that helped cause this shift of opinion. Let us study three contributions. That contributions of various scientists are: first one, Griffith's experiment; second, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy experiment; and third, Hershey's and Child's experiment. हर्शे अँड चॅज एक्सपेरिमेंट.